Okay.
Okay, we are filming.
I'm seeing nothing.
That is true.
I wonder if our power supply.
Oops.
I'm hearing it pop. Kind of making a noise, but.
It's not doing anything else right now though, is it in there?
This does not appear to be doing anything.
Okay.
Let's Ooh, that is some. I think that's the one.
That's the one?
I think that's the one. We have no lights on the main board at this point. Let's try this.
Okay. Did you flip the power switch?
I did.
Okay.
Still nothing. Man, I wish we would have had that hooked up.
Like a couple minutes ago before the thing basically caught on fire?
Burnt up, yeah.
Well.
Well. Okay. I guess you can stop recording.
Okay.
We had a light though.
Yeah. This one right here,
It
right?
came on, yeah?
Yeah, it came on. It was red. And then the innards started to smoke, and that wasn't
Sweet.
any good.
Man, I wish we would have had the monitor hooked up. All right. Okay, we'll try again.
Okay. I guess signing off.
Signing off.
Okay. Say something.
Okay. Another successful test. Making sure nothing works.